In this video, I will talk only about Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's have a look on Ethereum and see when it will finally give us a proper move. So I tried to long it 2 times. The first time it stopped me out. Second time I just put a tiny stop loss and it again stopped me out. So if I would just put my stop wider, I could have take at least 2% of the move, which is also not bad. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. This I will do here. Current interval only. So let me go from high time frame, 6 monthly time frame. So what do we see here? 6 monthly time frame. We can see this amazing bounce from 6 monthly FEG. And by the way, I had a limit order at 1,400 something. It was my first limit order to buy, but I got a bit too bearish and I thought that it will go towards to 900 something, or maybe lower. And I told to my team in Discord to cancel this limit order. And yeah, it was really painful to see how much 76% of the move up exactly from this level. But okay, it's not the end of the world, right? So what do we have on 6 month time frame right now? We can see a nice bounce, but we can see this long wick. All right, then let's go to 3 monthly time frame. 3 monthly time frame looks pretty much better. I really like this bounce from also 3 monthly FEG from this lows, here this bullish order block, it tested and bounced, so looks good, it looks bullish. The monthly time frame looks more neutral. It's a 50-50. It means that it could retest low somewhere around this monthly FEG or maybe a bit higher, like $2,200, $300,000, and then continue its upward move, or it could just continue going higher. But to understand this, we need to check lower time frame, right? So we need to go to weekly time frame. So as you see, I'm starting from higher time frame and going to lower time frame to understand where I can start buying again, right? In case the price goes lower. So last week we had amazing bullish close. I really like it. So what the price can do? It can retest this zone, this bullish order block. Here we have it has also FEG. So we have this zone. I'm just highlighting right now because I also need to go to lower time frames to just confirm if this area fits with my thoughts, So let's go to 3D time frame. Okay, on 3D time frame we see even more interesting picture. We have this long wick, right? And this wick would be perfect if it would be filled. So I take this Fibonacci levels, but not classic one. This one. All right, and if you remember, if you watched all my videos, I was telling about this, that usually a price already bounced from 0.25 or worst case it comes to 0.75. So rarely it bounces from 0.5. It's either, which means that we can set limit orders to areas as 0.25 is 2,331 and 2,185. But you can also put a limit order to buy from this zone as well. But just calculate your risks. All right. Then, if I go to daily time frame, what do we see on the daily time frame? On daily time frame, we see that this 0.25 it also aligns with daily FEG, right? So this box I will delete it. And what else I want to check? I want to check 12-hour time frame. Why? Because I saw this kind of picture. So the price has this 12-hour FEG here. It also has this bearish order block, right? Then price came to 0.5 on Fibonacci, and it gave a first close on 12-hour time frame below 0.5, which means that next 10 hours there is a high chance that the price will continue slowly continue going down towards to this low 2404 or 2331 towards to this Fibonacci levels. And it is okay, just okay, because we will also have openings of the 6 monthly, monthly, and monthly charts, right? So what can we expect? Price can bounce from this level 0 on Fibonacci, but I don't expect like a full reversal from this area because we have here this FVGs on many time frames that are not filled, right? And we have this crazy long week on which day weekly, no monthly time frame, or on 3D time frame. Sorry, on 3D time frame, right? We have this long week, so price could come to retest this week as well, this level as well. So this will be 1, 2 main levels for me. Then in case we see just a bit deeper correction, we can use 0.5 and 0.75. Just set several limit orders, just manage the size. In case we have a deeper pullback towards to 0.75, you will not be liquidated, all right? Then let's check on 4-hour if there will be some confirmations for my bearish bias. Yes, we can see next picture. First of all, we can see this bearish divergence. So RSI is going down, yeah, and here the highs are just flat. Then we can see this downtrending move, also rejected as a price rejected from this 4-hour FEG, right? So we can expect a correction of 2 to 5% of the move. This is my first expectation, like 5%. Worst case, we can see 8 to 10% of the move. But will it be just a quick move down or will it just go slowly? This is hard to say because it could do like this, come to 0, give a nice bounce back to this 4-hour FEG. Let me do this like that, reject again, then give a deeper pullback towards to 0.5, and then either from here go higher or bounce from 0.5, again reject from this low, which will be a resistance area, then give a deeper pullback and then bounce from 0.5 or 0.75 areas. Let me do it like this. That's why I'm telling you to just put several limit orders and wait for this price levels to be taken because I'm expecting a nice bounce from these levels. So this was Ethereum. Now let's check Bitcoin. So Bitcoin. What do we see? Let's go again to 6 monthly time frame. 6 monthly looks for me just nothing specific. Yeah, it looks okay. Like I cannot say that this candle is super bullish, or bearish. No, it looks just neutral for me. 3 months it looks amazing. So for 3 months it looks super bullish. Unless we will see something like this, because here also there was a crazy bullish move and then boom, huge red candle. but we still have 10 hours for the close. So far looks amazing. Monthly, a monthly, I would say we should be more um, careful how monthly will close. Uh, would I would not be happy if monthly close would be like a doji candle or like below 0.5 or 0.618. It will just give me a sign that bears are trying to take a control and a chance that there will be another some crazy pump, dump before giving a proper pump. In this case, will be increased. But what I see from the RSI side is trying to break the 70. If it will break the 70 today, tomorrow, expect a bullish momentum. And bullish momentum will be till this Fibonacci levels. But again, let's go to weekly time frame and see what is going on the lower time frames to be sure that there will be bullish trend continuation. So weekly time frame looks amazing, looks pretty bullish. I can even put here this something like that. So this will indicate us here supposed to be a bullish FVG or bullish order block because you see this big body of the candle, same as here, and usually price always comes to retest these zones. So but again, let's go to daily time frame, and on daily time, no, let's go to 3D. 3D, I forgot about 3D. So what do we have on 3D? On 3D, we have this interesting candle with this tiny body and long wick. We can apply here the same system as I did on Ethereum before. So I just put from this low of the wick till this body, this Fibonacci, and as I said, usually it's 0.25, 0.75, and sometimes 0.5. Okay, which means that any correction, in case there will be a deeper correction towards these areas, it will be interesting to long. But let's go also to lower time frames. Maybe there will be something else interesting. And we can see that on daily time frame, the price couldn't give a close above 0.75. You see this, look at this, no. So you can see this candle, it didn't close higher than 100,381. It beautifully rejected from this resistance trend line. I was expecting it to give a fake breakout towards this resistance zone and then return back to this zone. 0.618, Fibonacci area, or 106,000 to 108,300, right? But it didn't fake out. We can see that price shows its weakness. Most probably it will go to retest this lows, but in this case, on if we look on daily time frame, I will use classic Fibonacci, just classic one. This I don't need trend line. So what do we see on the classic Fibonacci on daily time frame? This we can have something like that because we have here daily FVG, daily order bullish order block. We have here this important Fibonacci levels. So any correction towards to 0.5, 0.618 is for buying. So what we can have something. Okay, leave it here. Actually, I don't need it. So we can have something like this. and then to new all-time high. And of course, worst case, if the price is losing 0.75, we can expect the price much lower towards the $93,000, $95,000, and then break out towards the new all-time high. And again, if the price is losing even these areas, then we can expect $84,000 and so on. So each level is very important to look at. But I think that we will have like a correction of 2-5% and then a move up. But let's go and see more lower time frame. Maybe there will be something else interesting. And on the lower time frame, what do we see? Yeah. First of all, it is confirming that it has a bearish move, bearish trend right now on the lower time frame, right? The price couldn't break this high, yeah, and right now it even rejected from 4-hour FEG. It has a bearish divergence. Look at this. Here price is going up and here it is going down, right? So next stop, Fibonacci FEGs. So set your limit orders over here at these levels and look for longs at $104,000, $103,000, and $101,000. And 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour. On 1 hour, okay, it could actually. On 1 hour looks more interesting, so it could actually give a bounce from this low. Also, this level comes to some Fibonacci level. Yeah, 0.618. Right, then 200 EMA on 1 hour. So what price can do? Price can give a slow green down, give a fast V-shaped recovery, come to this resistance zones again and again, reject and go lower. This scenario is pretty possible. Just shake out low positions. So if someone was longing here, just stop them out, liquidate, then stop short positions, again liquidate, take all the liquidity and then slowly again go down. Yeah. And on 4 hour, it could easily come towards to this 4 hour FEG and then give a proper bounce. So yeah, right now it's more bearish. Let's make it like this with tiny stop loss. And the take profits, you could secure your position, like you can take profit here at 106,563 and then just move stop loss to break even. But if you will see that price is coming back, retests 4 hour 4 hour FEG and rejects, then you can retake your short and keep it until this levels. So this was all from my side for today. If you like this video, please support me, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye bye.